So I'm just going to discuss about the operations on functions in general mathematics. So sinasabi lang naman sa the operations on functions na if you're going to take the sum, the difference, the product, and also the quotient of the two functions, then we will have a new functions. So let's try to take the sum of the function of x and the function of x or g of x. So the function of x is equal to x squared negative 5, which is a quadratic function. G of x is equal to 5x positive 4, which is a linear function. So ang gagawin lang natin dito ay ipagpa-plus lang natin yung value ng function of x and value ng g of x. So yung function of x ay papalitan natin ng x squared negative 5, yung g of x ay papalitan natin ng 5x positive 4. So since nagpa-plus lang tayo ng dalawang function, ang kailangan lamang natin gawin ay mag-combine like terms. So si x squared ay wala siyang kaparehas na term, kaya kokopyahin na lang natin siya, pati na rin yung 5x. So negative 5 and positive 4 can be combined and that will give us negative 1. So the summation of the two functions f of x and g of x is equal to x squared positive 5x negative 1. So ngayon is papakita ko lamang sa inyo yung graph ng mga functions na pinag-plus natin, pati na rin yung sum. So ang ginamit ko dito is yung Desmos graphing calculator para maipakita ko yung graphs nila. So firstly, grinaph ko yung x squared negative 5 na quadratic function. So yung nakikita ninyong kulay black dyan is yan yung parabola or graph ng x squared negative 5. So yung graph naman ng 5x positive 4, which is a linear function, ito siya. Ibig sabihin, since linear function siya, yung graph niya ay isang line. So nung pinag-plus natin yung dalawang function na yan at nakuha natin kanina ang x squared positive 5x negative 1, so that is a quadratic function, yung sum nila, nagkaroon tayo ng bagong function. So yung nakikita ninyong kulay green dyan is yan yung quadratic function na x squared positive 5x negative 1, which is yung sum ng dalawang function f and g.
One ten hundred thousand million billion trillion quadrillion 20